In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track sales in Google Sheets. We're going to keep this simple and reliable so you can record each sale clearly and see the information you care about at a glance. Start by building a strong foundation with your headers in row 1. Give each column a clear purpose so every detail is captured. A common layout that works well is date in column A, order or invoice number in column B, item or description in column C, unit price in column D, quantity in column E, total in column F, and status in column G. You can add an optional notes column if you want to remember special details about a sale, like a discount or a follow-up reminder. The most important thing is to keep names short and consistent so you always know what belongs where. Labeling column D as unit price and column E as quantity sets you up perfectly for an automatic total. Now let's automate the math in row 2 so you don't have to calculate totals by hand. Click into cell F2 and type the formula equals D2 times E2 like this, D2 E2. This multiplies the unit price by the quantity to give you the total amount for that sale. Make sure the numbers you enter in D2 and E2 are valid numbers, not text, so the formula can do its job correctly. If you see an error or a strange result, recheck that the cells contain plain numbers. Next, format your money values so they're easy to read. Highlight all of column D and column F, then click the currency button in the toolbar. Depending on your locale, you might see a currency symbol like P or something else. This step ensures prices and totals display as currency, which helps prevent confusion and keeps your sheet consistent. Quantity in column E should remain a regular number, so don't apply currency to that column. Finally, make tracking payment status effortless with a drop-down. Click cell G2, go to Data, then Data Validation, and choose Add Rule. Select drop-down and enter 3 options: paid, pending, and refunded. This gives you a quick, standardized way to mark the state of each sale without typing the same words repeatedly or worrying about typos. Pick the appropriate status for the sale in row 2 so you can see how it looks in action. That's it. With organized headers, an automatic total, clean currency formatting, and a simple status drop-down, your sheet is ready to track sales clearly and consistently. As you continue entering sales, follow the same structure and your data will stay accurate and easy to interpret.